Hey guys, today's class is going to be a quick workout. It's going to focus on the upper back and rear shoulders, all the exercises that are great for posture and pulling the shoulders back. We're going to start with a blue and a white spring, which is my medium, and a light spring. If you want to go lighter, if you feel like it's getting into your shoulders, do one single blue spring, which is a medium spring, or you can do one red spring, one heavier spring if you want a little bit harder or depending on your machine. So we're going to sit down on our reformer. If you're not as flexible, you can grab your box and sit on the box, or you can actually do it kneeling. This first position, you can do kneeling. But I'm going to sit on my bottom. I'm going to keep my feet wider than the shoulder rest. Just more comfortable for me at this point. But if you want to put your feet in between the headrest and cross your feet, go for that. So we're going to sit up long. So just start with basic chest expansion. So arms start about at your knees, just slightly past, sitting up tall through that spine. Palms are facing back, fingertips are long to the floor. We're just going to press the hands past the chest or past the hips and then resist it forward. You want that spine lengthened tall. Abs are tight. Resist that carriage forward. Keep those elbows straight. If you find that you're having to bend the elbows, then make the springs a little bit lighter. As you press the hands past the hips, feel those shoulders pull back and open. You're not leaning back, you're just pulling the shoulders back. Trying to squeeze those shoulder blades together. Lengthening the crown of the head to the ceiling. We're going to do 5 more here. Resist it forward. This last one, we're going to hold it back. Press past the hips, open the chest, hold it for 5, 4, drop the shoulders away from the ears, 3, 2, and release it forward. We're going to cross the straps, put your hands through it, up to your elbows. I love this one because you really feel the shoulders pull back. So palms face your face the whole time, even as you open to the side. Sitting up tall, elbows are in line with the shoulders, maybe like an inch lower. You're going to open those elbows out to the side. Squeeze those shoulder blades together. Drop the shoulders down the back, and then resist it all the way back to center. Again, you're sitting up tall. You're just opening up those arms out to the side and back to center. Like I mentioned, these are great for posture. So focus on pulling the shoulders back, squeezing those shoulder blades together. Try to keep those elbows lifted. Try not to drop them lower because then you're not getting that full benefit of the posture exercise. Keep lengthening that neck, dropping the shoulders away from the ears. We have 5 more here. Last 3. 2. And hold it back there, 5 seconds. 4, drop the shoulders down. 3, 2, and 1. Grab up, keep the hands through the ropes. You're going to grab up higher. And then we're just going to do a narrow row. So it's going to feel light right now, but then we're going to add on. So squeeze those shoulder blades together again, and then all the way forward. Exhale, pull. Those elbows are narrow. Lengthening that spine. Exhaling to pull. We have 5 more here. Try to hold that squeeze at the back for a second and then release. Last 3, 2. Hold it back there. Hold that squeeze. Drop the shoulders away from the ears. 5 seconds. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. 4, 3, 2, 1. Release it all the way forward. Just hang up the strap that's in your left hand. Just hang it up on the right loop. So I'm still holding with that right hand. You can grab a little bit lower on the rope. And then you're going to just do a single narrow arm row. So I'm just pulling with that right arm, sitting up tall. Keep that torso still from rocking side to side. You want to think about squeezing this right shoulder blade in the back. Exhale, pull. We have 5 more in this arm. Last 2, all the way forward, all the way back. And last one. And hang up that strap. You can just hang it back down in the left side. Now you're going to put that, reach with the right strap. Put your left hand through the strap and then grab up a little bit higher where the buckles are. Sitting up tall, you're going to pull that left elbow narrow, pulling that shoulder back, and then all the way forward. So squeezing that left shoulder blade together. Full extension. All the way forward and all the way back. You're sitting up tall through that spine, not leaning back. Exhale, pull. 5 more here. Last one. And release. Now we're going to grab both straps. Put your feet on the floor. If you want to make it a little bit lighter, if you find that keeping these springs on is too heavy, you can drop down to a single blue spring, which is a medium spring. I'm going to stay on the blue and the white spring, my medium light spring. You're going to lift up, so you're in a little squat position, externally rotated with those feet. My straps are uncrossed this time, and I'm grabbing the reformer straps, and you're just going to double arm row. This makes it a little bit harder than when we were sitting. Exhaling to pull. Squeeze those shoulders in the back. Drop the shoulders away from the ears. And then all the way forward. Exhale, pull. So the only thing that is moving is those elbows. Pulling past those hips and then all the way forward. Ten more here. last 4, and 3, pull 2, last one. We're gonna hold it back there. Hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, drop the shoulders away from the ears, 5, 4, 3, 2, release it down and have a seat. All right, guys, we are all done with this workout. Told you it was gonna be short, just working the upper back, that posture, so we don't have those rounded shoulders. So I hope you guys enjoyed that workout. Make sure you come see me again.